A man in his truck. It's a beautiful thing, and pride in class pay. You wouldn't have it any other way. You work hard and only the best will do for you and your rig. So I just have one question for you, my friend. Why are you still using grease or silicone or an old rag or sock to keep that beautiful big hood from squeaking? Now you can use Hood Skinz, an accessory that will keep your engine compartment looking great, just the way you like it. Hood Skinz provides a low friction barrier between your hood supports and hood support receptacles. So when you put the hammer down, all you hear is that horsepower purr as it makes its way down to the big road. Hood Skinz. Stretch 'em on, the squeak is gone.